Hello everyone, thanks for watching this. My name is Kenneth Ainembabazi. I'm a lecturer at Frontier College. Today I want to talk to you about speaking, how to be a good speaker of the English language. Now, to begin with, speaking is an important skill in the English language. We have a number of skills that we teach in the English language, but speaking is one of the most important ones. Why do I say the most important? Because it is the skill through which we communicate our mind, the skill through which we give our ideas, our opinions to other people. So we speak to them, give them what we think, and get feedback from them. So speaking requires that you develop confidence. Confidence is the #1 factor for a good speaker. With the English language, for example, you have to be able to speak with confidence so that your listeners can really listen to you. And how do you develop confidence? Developing confidence begins with practice. You practice often. Practice with your family members. Practice with your classmates. In front of them, try giving them a speech. In some way or the other, you'll find yourself developing confidence. Speaking English confidently also has to do with fluency and accuracy. What do I mean when I say fluency or accuracy? Fluence means that you are able to speak without hesitating, without taking so long to think about what you have to talk about. And accuracy means that you are able to speak and use good grammatical English, use good structures, and make a good speech, good presentation. So it is important that you integrate both. You're accurate, you're also fluent. And fluency has to do with the choice of words. You have to be able to choose words correctly so that you have the right words for every situation. Sometimes you want to use a word, but you cannot get it. So in such cases, you have to work around it. You can explain what you wanted to mean and be sure that your audience will get you. You can sometimes actually ask them. You can ask your audience, ask them for a word, and then they can help you out. So speaking with confidence is really important, and speaking fluently and accurately is some of the things that can help you be a good speaker. #3 is speaking and being able to sustain your audience. Sustaining the listeners is something important for a good speaker. If you want to be a good speaker of a language, you have to be able to keep listeners interested in you. Because, like I said, your prime goal is to communicate your ideas, is to give your mind to the listeners. So if you do not sustain them, then you are losing out on your point in the first hand. So it is important that you sustain their interest. And how do you do it? You sustain the listener's interest by choosing a wide range of vocabulary. You do not stick to using same words all over and again. No, this time use a word, the other time change and use a different word. So in that way, you'll be able to maintain the listener's interest. So this skill of the speaking skill is really handled well here at Frontier College and along other skills. So please feel free to join Frontier College and you will not regret. This is the right place to study English, to master your speaking skills, and you'll be a good speaker everywhere in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time.